President Donald Trump has ordered the suspension of all U.S. military aid to Ukraine. This decision affects both weapons that were agreed upon for shipment during the Biden administration but have not yet been delivered, as well as those already en route to Ukrainian border from United States. Reports have emerged that Bangladesh has deployed Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drones near its border with India. The deployment of these drones comes at a time when India-Bangladesh relations are strained. However, Bangladesh claims the deployment is for defensive purposes. Philippine Air Force FA-50 fighter jet went missing during a tactical night operation. The aircraft lost communication with other planes involved in mission just before reaching its target area. The Air Force has launched extensive search operations using all available resources to locate the missing aircraft and its crew. Lockheed Martin Global F-35 fleet has surpassed 1 million flight hours, marking a historic milestone for a 20-year program. According to program executive, this is monumental achievement for the fleet, highlighting the trust and confidence global customers have in the fifth-generation aircraft.